Hi, let's look at these electron configuration questions. So the first one is state the condensed electron configuration of chromium and chromium 3 plus. So whenever you write electron configuration, you must challenge yourself and ask yourself, is that given element copper or chromium? Because copper or chromium is exception. So let's write down first the full electron configuration of chromium. So if you look in the periodic table, chromium has 24 electrons. Atomic number is 24. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and then we know it will be 4s, and then we will have 3d. In chromium, 4s has 1 electron and d has 5 electron. So chromium is exception. When we write condensed electron configuration, we only write the outer shell electrons, and we look at the previous noble gas configuration. So the previous noble gas, if you look at the periodic table, is argon, and argon has 18 electrons. So up to 3p6. So we have 18 electron, and that is argon. Argon, and then we can write 4s1, 3d5. So next is chromium 3 plus. Chromium 3 plus, we need to remove 3 electrons from chromium. So argon as it is, we need to remove electron from 4s first. So there will be nothing in 4s, and 3d will have 3 electrons. So this is how we can write down electron configuration of chromium and chromium 3 plus. So better to start with the full and then condense it. Next question, state the electron configuration of copper. So copper is another exception. So if you look in the periodic table, atomic number of copper is 29. So it means copper has 29 electrons. Here you can write down full or condense. You will get marks because they didn't mention whether you need to write down the full or condensed electron configuration. So let's start with the full electron configuration. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Then we will have 3s2, 3p6, and then we will have 4s, and then we will have 3d. So 4s will have 1, d will have 10. So fully fill is more stable. And if we want to write down the condensed one, so again we need to go back to the previous noble gas configuration, which is argon. Argon has 18, and then we can write down 4s1 and 3d 10. Right, so copper and chromium is exception. Next one is state the full electron configuration of iron 2 plus. So I will be writing for neutral iron first. So iron has 26 electrons. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s, and then 3d. 4s will have 2, and 3d will have 6. So we need to remove 2 electrons. So again, we need to empty 4s first. So electron will go from 4s first. So we'll have 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and then we will have 3d6. So electron will remove from 4s first. And the last one is condensed electron configuration of argon. Tricky question. So again, argon has 18 electrons. So we only write outer shell electrons. We need to go back to the previous noble gas configuration, which is neon. So neon has 10, and then we'll have 3s2 3p6. So this is a way we can write down electron configuration of argon. Thank you.